Well, it's that time of the evening. The wind has died down to almost nothing. So we're gonna try the Tikka T1X with some SK rifle match. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Brotuned for another 50-yard ammo test with my Tikka T1X in the Cadex Defense Strike Nuke Evo chassis. Today we're shooting SK rifle match, the old red box. And I found one extra mag, so I have 2 mags now, so it'll take a little bit of time out of my hands, but I'm gonna edit out the reloading for you guys so you don't have to deal with it. So without further ado, and without boring you guys too much with that, let's get to shooting. We're gonna do five shot groups. We're gonna measure them all. The first group might not be on center because it's our kind of our sighting group, and just gonna see where it's landing. I'm a little winded from running down to the target, but let's get to shooting. Here we go. That stuff seems to be doing its part for sure. And we're pretty much bang on for elevation and windage. I went 1 click to the right. Get group number 1. Well, I guess technically it's group number 2 underway. All but one in the same hole. Can't complain about that. Okay, back in action for a group. I guess we'll call it number 3 now, since we're going to count the first group. Not too sure what happened there, but it kind of seeming to be a trend with this thing. First 2 groups are pretty solid, and then it starts opening up. So let's see what happens now. Like, what was that? It definitely wasn't me. Yeah, so I don't know what happened there. The group opened up huge. So I guess let's do 5 more on the last target and get to conclude this little session here. See what we got. This rifle is a very good shooter. Very, very nice feeling rifle too. So only issue is I'm gonna get an Arca rail for down here because I'm not a big fan of this. It has a little bit of wobble, the Picatinny rail with the bipod mount on it. So I'm gonna put an Arca rail and set up a setup like I have on my CZ457 LRP, and hopefully get the same results. Nice, super solid, sturdy base, and there's no wiggle at all in that CZ. So hopefully we can get that same performance out of this. But let's get back to shooting. Not sure what's going on with that second shot. I almost think we should do a 10-shot group just to see what's up. So we have 2 mags loaded up. Let's see what we can do for a 10-shot group. I'll just shoot right below, or actually right between the last 2 targets on the cross in the target. See what happens. I'm gonna dial 1 click left as well. Here we go. One got away. 5 more shots. That looks like a pretty good group for 10 shots. Let's go measure up this target. I really do have to get a chronograph mount here. I have to figure something out so I can get some chronograph numbers for this rifle, and then we can see like how we did with the CZ, if there's any crazy variances in chronograph numbers and the results on target correspond to that. But for now, we're just doing basically accuracy testing with it. And it seems to be doing pretty well. A lot of SK stuff shoots very well in this rifle so far. Not so much the center X from the other week, but it is what it is. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you are all subscribed. Hope you hit that like button if you like the video. Please do so. And for the algorithm, make a sacrifice and leave a little comment. Just say hi, whatever. Just anything helps. All right, guys, take care. See you next week.